sunrise in the morning. It's pretty as you next to me as we camped out in the forest, lay beneath the stars and trees, and nothing really mattered. We're living in our water streams till sunset in the evening, creating perfect fantasies.
Let's get bored, drive all the cars, fuck hotels, camper underneath the stars.
Paint memories on a canvas, sing songs and our guitars. We'll fly to any place on the atlas. I'll take on the world with you.
Good afternoon. Back in Thailand now after a long trip in India. We're actually here in Chiang Mai today with a resort called Marndidi Resort. And these guys actually invited us to explore what northern Thailand has to offer because it is so different from the rest of Thailand. They have different food, different culture, and different landscape with mountains and jungle. So behind me right now is the rice paddy terrace on the resort. There's also something called the Grand Canyon of Chiang Mai, which is a giant rock quarry, which should be super fun. We'll go do some cliff diving and jumping into the water, some swimming. If everything goes well, we'll get some nice shots for this weekend. You get to tag along. We'll see you soon at our next location.
Let's get bored, drive all the cars, fuck hotels, camper underneath the stars.
Paint memories on a canvas, sing songs and our guitars. We'll fly to any place on the atlas. I'll take on the world with you. I'll take on the world with you. I'll take on the world with you.
Alright, so this normally really isn't my type of thing to do, but we're doing product placement and we're gonna do a live video
It's not
really
product
soon.
placement, it's
Okay.
stuff I use and love.
Yeah, it's stuff that she actually uses, but it's also sponsored, so. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough of the Colonial Suite here at Marndidi Resort, and it's all set up. It's actually pretty nice. It's pretty nicely set up. But yeah, this has been really quite an adventure. Totally did not expect something like this. Usually I'm all about adventure and hustling one place to another, trying to get as many shots in as possible. This has been a super relaxing weekend, so it's been very different.
Let's get bored, drive all the cars, fuck hotels, camper underneath the stars.
Paint memories on a canvas.
But we are going to go get sunset at some rice paddies later, so we'll see you there. That should be very fun.
I'll take on the world with you. I'll take on the world with you. I'll take on the world with you. Let the wind just take me, pull me very far away as we disconnect from the city, where the lights move for the stars to play. As long as it's just you with me, my heart feels in a safer place as we're painting all these memories with colors that won't fade away. With colors that won't fade away. With colors that won't fade away.
So, we are right now in the middle of a massive rice paddy thing with Kat, and it's sunset of our last day here.
So I just waded through like waist-high muddy water with like a foot of mud up my feet just to get to this rice paddy. Instagram life is not as glamorous as it looks online.
Yeah, and I flew the drone into a tree, so we actually had to walk all the way across to grab it from under the tree. Luckily it didn't fall in the water. That wraps up our 3 days at Marndidi Resort. It's been awesome, super relaxing.
It's amazing. We loved it so much.
Yeah, sponsored post. Do you want to say anything? You can say whatever you want. So, yeah.
Thanks for joining us in Chiang Mai.
We're gonna take a train back home to Bangkok. So,
Like 12 hours of train.
yes.
We arrived in Chiang Mai. We stayed here for 3 nights and 4 days at this beautiful resort.
We're probably gonna wrap up this vlog, so we'll see you next time as we try to walk back without falling into the water or getting too muddy.
Bye!
Bye!